What's the meaning of basil? Basil. Basil.
Basil. Basil. Basil is a herb that belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae. The plant has green leaves and produces fragrant white or pink flowers. Basil is commonly used in cooking, particularly in Mediterranean and Southeast Asian cuisines. It has a sweet, slightly peppery flavor and a strong aroma that adds depth to dishes. Basil also has medicinal properties and has been traditionally used to treat various ailments, including fever, coughs, and headaches. In addition, basil is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Overall, basil is a versatile and highly valued herb that is widely appreciated for its culinary and health benefits.